Now I'm going to explain about water cycle. Now first I told you we have rivers, oceans, seas, ponds, streams. All these waters, due to the heat of the sun, they become water vapor, and that water vapor is a gaseous form of water that goes to the sky, that forms a different types of clouds. Some are dark, some are light, some are white. When there is a condensation, cooling process occurs, the dark clouds, actually the rainy clouds, that's the rain clouds, and pour down as a rain. When they are pouring down, sometimes they pour, I told you, hail, the ice cutting, and that is time they pour, that is called precipitation. 3 new words I have introduced. Evaporation is a heating process, condensation is a cooling process, precipitation is the ice cubes, ice falling down. These 3 words you should know. It's all happening, it's because of the sun heat. The sun heats the water will become the gaseous form, that is water vapor. That process is called evaporation. Then it goes to the sky. When the sky cools, it forms the rain clouds. That cooling process is called the condensation. When the rain cloud is formed, we will get rain. Further cooling, some more cooling, then it falls as a ice. That is called precipitation. This is a continuous process. That is why we call it as a water cycle. This is the most important part of the lesson. If anyone wants a doubt about it, again I will explain the water cycle. Special talk about rainbow, because everybody likes rainbow. We have 7 colors in the rainbow. Actually, this is the light split into various individual wavelength. That's a big word for you. Actually, the light split into different color, and the light divide into different color. It gives us different colors according to the reflection. Reflection means Mr. Aristotle, he only found out about the rainbow. Mr. Aristotle. The colors of the rainbow, now you have red, violet, then you have, there are 7 colors. Yes or no? I said red and violet. Yes, sir. See, it's easy way to remember. That is why we made it into WebGR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. This is the way we can remember as WebGR. Now, this WebGR is easy. When you say WebGR, you will remember violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange and red. I'll give you a beautiful picture of a rainbow. Just look at it. In the same order you have to draw. The same order you have to draw. Which comes from down. First one is down violet. After that, indigo. Then blue, then green. On the top of it should come red. Okay? This is light reflection. I told you. Reflection means, see, what you call, when you wear something new metal, you will have lighting reflection. Even Miss wears something new, you will ask, Miss, this is new, because it will reflect the light. Reflection, you will be learning, the 7th, 8th you will be learning. That time I will teach you. Now just see, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. And then easy to remember is WebGR. WebGR expansion, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. how do plants look like when it's after raining? They all will look like very, very fresh. Then water cycle. These two, why I am giving importance, it is because you have to draw these two diagrams in your notebook in a nice way. You have to just see, draw a river, a pond, or anything, any one water source. Then should draw sunlight. From there the sunlight should come to the water. From there water has become water vapor. Then arrow mark must go up because the vapor is a gas will not stay down. So then arrow mark goes up. That process is called evaporation, and then it goes and forms a clouds. The cooling cloud, we call it as a rain clouds. Then that process is called condensation. Then after that, after the cooling process, the rain will form. That is called precipitation, or the ice formation, you call it as a precipitation. This is a continuous process. That is why we call it as a water cycle. Water cycle. Rain is the main source of water. Okay? If there is any doubt, you should ask me, right? Okay, Apu's story taught us a beautiful moral. Do good for others, good will come back to us. Don't do bad to others, bad may come. Okay, do good, children, and observe. And I have given you a test for 10 marks. Alright, observe the sky, send a voice message. Maybe next Sunday, full day I am giving you. All the third standard send a voice message. I listen to the message. I'll give the mark and the message itself. Can you understand? Observe the sky and what all you feel. It can be damn and dick. நீ என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணி எழுதினாலும் வாய்ஸ் மெசேஜில் கொடுத்தாலும் ஐ மீன், பட் இட் ஷுட் பி வித்தின் 2 minutes. 2 minutes கிறிஸ்பாக இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? ஓகே, என்ஜாய் த day with the sky. Enjoy nice weekend. Stay safe. Thank you.